Hi guys, we are still at the farm. We're about to go into town because they're doing a shrimp boil today. And we're gonna go see if we can find a cake for them. Maybe some flowers. It's pouring out. My whole bottom of my skirt got wet even though I had the umbrella. Didn't matter. Plus we need to go get some breakfast. And there's a place in town called Jack's, which I guess is pretty much everywhere in the South. Oh yeah, your glasses are foggy and wet. So we're gonna get some breakfast first.
Somebody's supposed to drive.
You want me to drive? We have baby Cam watching Toast in the trailer. He's getting up in his little spot. There he is. Duties first. You can tell me no? Okay, babe, butter these pancakes. I lost my bacon. And then some scrambled eggs. Delicioso. Alright, so we're in this little grocery store, and I don't think they have a bakery. But we found some flowers. Some flowers. We just don't know where the bakery is. Maybe we have to go to Walmart.
Yeah, I don't have one.
Yeah, I don't think they have one.
Here's a cake.
Oh, they're like, are they frozen? Sugary's Bakery.
But then they don't say happy anniversary on it.
Yeah, that's true. Alright, we have beautiful flowers. Our car's right here. This is not our car? Why are you tricking me? We gotta go find a cake. We gotta go find another store. Alright, we're gonna try to Walmart and hopefully they have a bakery. We need a cake. We need a cake. Okay, looks like they just have a deli and they don't have a bakery at this Walmart. What's going on, New Albany? You guys don't like baked goods? Okay, well they have some pre-made baked stuff. Alright, Walmart didn't have a bakery, so we're headed to this place called Sugary's. Sugary's. And it's downtown, and let's hope they have cakes. It is called the cake shop, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna have cakes. It's so pretty in here. Got the goods. So all the cakes were frozen, but they had fresh cupcakes. So cupcakes it is. They look delicious, and I actually like this idea better because now everybody can have a different flavor. Like, what you cooking up here, Greg? Ooh, that smells good.
Yeah,
the lemons.
Seasoning in it too.
I can smell the lemons though. You carried a watermelon? You carried a shrimp?
Get my big spoon over there.
They're delicious.
I was over there behind.
You're so happy.
I am.
The corn, potatoes, mushrooms.
I like
you got an egg. BJ's a dog whisperer. He's a dog whisperer. You're so cute. This is Roxy. And this is, what's his name? Dunn. You guys are so cute. Toast is going to be so jealous. He's going to smell all the dogs.
You do. I want to get a new one, but until we do one.
Yeah, we're giving Toast's backseat cover a good clean. Since he got sick, a little while ago on it. It cleans up really easy though. Get in. Hi. We're gonna make some breakfast. You gonna make some breakfast? You gonna help me? Okay. All right, so AJ's cleaning up Toast's back seat. I'm gonna make us some breakfast. If you guys remember from last week's vlog, we brought this crafting kit that my mom had given AJ. It's a felting kit. And so we had a little craft day with our friend's grandson. And I think he's around 9 or 10 years old, and he was much better at it than us. You can see the final result here in a minute. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is yours all done, babe?
Yeah.
This is your... This is...
What happened?
I look like Miss Piggy.
It is Miss Piggy.
Oh, it is Miss Piggy. That's what you were going for. Okay. But I think overall you can kind of get the gist of what they're supposed to look like. And yeah, definitely the winner was their grandson. His little dog is super cute. But we had fun. It's time to close down. It is so hot out here. I'm dying. So we're gonna take everything down, drop Knox off at storage, and then we're gonna stay the night in Memphis at a hotel, and then tomorrow we leave for AJ's next course. So that's the plan. It takes a long time to close her down, and it's like 104 degrees out right now. You ready to go? You ready to go? Come on. Oh, there's a lot of wasps over here, babe. You are not gonna want to unplug this. AJ. Scary. Got to spray them. They're not gonna be happy. Let's go say goodbye to the farm animals. Okay, well, it's a lot cooler over here. It's more shaded. There's more trees. Hi, little chickens. We're coming to say bye. Thanks for being our free alarm clock every morning. Hi. Oh, hello, beautiful. Hello, beautiful. Look at your stripes. Hi. Ooh, the bunnies are all hiding because they're probably trying to stay in the shade. Oh, there they are under there. Hi, guys. All right, we're leaving. I'll see you next time. And I don't know where the cows are. They're probably trying to stay in the shade also because it's so hot out. I don't see them. They might be on the other side because a lot of times they go to the other side of the house in the front. Actually, that's usually where they are. Anyways, I'm hot. I'm ready to leave the farm and go to the hotel and get in some AC. I gotta go finish helping AJ. Gotta put the umbrella there. Right, we're loaded. Stuck in there. You staying nice and cool in the car? Yeah, you got the best seat in the house. We're almost done. I do not recommend popping up a pop-up in 104 degrees. Or melting. Your whole shirt is soaked. Okay, AJ sprayed, but those two are still trying to protect that plug. So I'm not unplugging that. Not yet. Actually, I'm gonna let AJ unplug it. Well, let's be real. That's a job for AJ. Making a pretty bow.
Oh, that's not a bow. That's how you can secure the access.
It looks like a bow. Very pretty. And we're going. And we're ready to go.